Before learning Excel, first understand one thing: this entire file is called a workbook. Just like a real notebook contains multiple pages, an Excel workbook contains multiple sheets where we work with data. At the top, we have the ribbon tab. These tabs contains all the tools and the commands used in Excel. For example, formatting text, creating charts, using formula, analyzing data, and much more. Each tab is divided into sections to keep the tools organized and easy to access. This small box here is called the name box. It shows the address of the currently selected cell. If I select another cell, the cell address changes automatically. Next, we have the formula bar. This is where we can write or edit data, text or formulas. Whatever we write inside the formula bar gets displayed inside the selected cell. As you can also see this in this following video, that I am typing whatever in the formula bar is being displayed or typed in the cell selected. Now, this complete working area is called the sheet area. This is where all the data entry, calculation and analysis happen. Each small box inside the sheet is called a cell. Every cell has its own unique address based on the columns and rows. For example, this cell is D9. Now, at this bottom section is the footer area, where Excel shows informations like zoom label, worksheet status. So, this was the basic Excel interface. Once you understand this layout, learning Excel becomes much easier.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall.